Hello, it's Owain at Tonic HQ, and we've got an amazing Black Friday event on at Tonic Studios. So what we've got is every day from now until next Tuesday, brand new deals on some of our favourite Tonic Studios products. So let's find out what's available on day one. First up, we've got an amazing Pure Sheen Glitter Bundle, 7 pots, 100 millilitres, wonderful colours, all for you, available at a bargain price. Our Craft Perfect deal on day one is a wonderful Craft Perfect selection of classic cards in 12 by 12s. There's a total of 85 card packs, all for you, available on the store. We've got the Tonic Studios V-Blade Trimmer at a big discount, perfect for cutting precision, paper and cardstock. And finally, we have our wonderful Rococo Faerie selection, 9 dies of cute, mystical, magical fairies for you at 70% off. So there you have it. Those are your day one Black Friday deals. So check out the store for the next 7 days for amazing deals on Craft Perfect, Tonic Studios, Nuvo products and much more.